Parana pine. Parana pine is a type of softwood that comes from the Araucaria angustifolia tree, which is native to southern Brazil. It is also known as Brazilian pine or candelabra tree. The tree can grow up to 50 meters tall and has a straight trunk that can be up to 1.5 meters in diameter. Parana pine is highly valued for its beautiful, straight grain and light, golden color. It is commonly used for flooring, furniture, paneling, and other decorative applications. It is also popular in the construction industry for its strength and durability. Unfortunately, Parana pine is an endangered species due to overexploitation and habitat loss. The Brazilian government has imposed restrictions on its harvest, and it is now illegal to cut down the trees in most areas. However, there are still some illegal logging activities, and it is important to use sustainable alternatives to Parana pine when possible.